can you actually join TikTok shop affiliates from anywhere throughout the whole world? And if you don't have 5,000 followers, can you join TikTok shop? So I'm going to answer all these questions in this video. So all I have to actually requesting from you is to pay very close attention to everything I'm going to tell you in this video. So according to TikTok shop business app, as you can see, this is the article that was published this year, which is May, and it was updated 2024. So as you can see, TikTok shop is now available in the following markets, which is Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. So what this means is the fact that if you are not part of any of this country, you can't be able to join TikTok shop to start promoting products on TikTok. So I'm going to show you 2 ways you can actually join TikTok shop affiliates and start promoting products. So you have to ensure you actually pay close attention. Watch the video from beginning to the end. For example, if you don't know what TikTok shop affiliate actually means, is the fact that when you join, you'll be able to promote product on TikTok and start earning some of the commission like this. As you can see, this person actually earned like $3,500 using TikTok shop, and these are success story from different people actually making money with TikTok shop. So let me show you the first method of getting to TikTok shop. So you have to come to this particular website, which is called wob.com. So I'm going to drop the link inside the video description. So you have to join the free Discord group, which is TikTok shop affiliate academy. So this particular platform have over 6,000 affiliates that do promote product on TikTok shop and be able to make money. So for you to actually get to this free Telegram group, you have to click on this get access. You have to actually sign up with your email or any of your identity, probably Gmail or any email. So as you can see, I've already like signed up. It's free. You are not paying any money to join this Discord group. So let me show you what you are going to get inside the group. So as you can see, we are going to go back to the group. So this is the group. As you can see, we are actually looking towards TikTok shop academy, and this is the owner of the group, which is Skylar. So this particular group actually have a lot of member, like a lot of TikTok shop member that can actually help you. If you are having issue, you can actually come to this group to actually help you out. So but if you are just starting out and you actually want to get TikTok shop account instantly and start making money, so you have to locate from the particular option, you have to locate buy TikTok shop over here. So let's find buy TikTok shop. So these are announcements. This one is TikTok chat. This one is get access. Let's find buy TikTok shop. So as you can see, buy account here. So you have to click on buy account here to see some of the affiliate that are actually looking towards of selling their account on this platform. So there are a lot of them on this platform. They actually want to sell their account. So as you can see, DM me for selling 1,000 to 500k cheap. That will be suits ASAP. So you can actually message this person that you want to actually buy TikTok shop affiliate, and they are going to give you access to the account instantly. What this means is the fact that after you have gotten the account from here, and the ranges started from maybe $160 to $90 to maybe $200. So it depends on the one you actually want. The advantage of you getting this particular account from here is the fact that after you have gotten the account, you just have to start promoting instantly. There's no issue of you verifying the account because they have done it for you. Everything is actually set. All you have to do is to start publishing video on TikTok and start making money on TikTok. So everything is done for you. All you have to do is to also invest like maybe $200 to $150 upfront to actually get TikTok shop affiliate account and start making video about product you want to promote on TikTok and start making money. So these are the first methods I will actually advise if you actually want to start making money with TikTok right now. So meanwhile, if you don't like the first method that I actually explained in this video, so you actually love this one. So the second method is actually signing up with TikTok shop directly. So but for you to actually use this method, you have to be eligible from this country I mentioned earlier in this video. Maybe you are from Indonesia, Thailand, United States, or United Kingdom. So you can actually come to this website, which is shop.tiktok.com/business. So you have to actually sign up over here. You have to click on sign up, then you scroll down a little bit. So you have to sign up over here as a seller. So, like we're actually looking towards on getting TikTok shop affiliate, but we have to sign up as a seller that we have a product we want to sell on TikTok. So you have to actually sign up. then verify your identity. So from the seller dashboard, you can be able to get TikTok affiliate. Like there's a loophole in TikTok shop right now that if you sign up as a seller on TikTok, you can be able to get your affiliate link and connect your TikTok account to your TikTok shop and start making money and start promoting product on TikTok as affiliate. So for you to actually do that, you have to be eligible. You have to actually come from any of this country that I mentioned from in this video. So this method actually don't require you to have like 5,000 followers. So because they assume that you are a seller, like a seller, not an affiliate, so you don't really require 5,000 subscriber. So but the only disadvantage of using this method is the fact that like whenever TikTok actually discover that you are not really a seller, you are not really selling product on the platform, they might eventually shut down your account at any time. So like you are taking a chance. But best way is to actually get account from all this platform. Like they have verified their identity, they have been selling on the platform. They assume that TikTok will not really dictate that they are not the real owner of the account. So I hope this video actually help you out in figuring out how you can join TikTok shop from ineligible country. Maybe you are not from any of these countries that I mentioned in this video. So if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up. And also if you are looking towards starting promoting product on TikTok but you don't have money to buy the product themselves, you have to come to this website which is called Viral Income Ads. So this platform will actually buy the product for you, make a video for you, and all you have to do is just to post the video on TikTok and start making commission. So I will actually try much as possible to drop all the link to the resources I mentioned in this video if you actually want to check them out. And if you actually check them out, let me know what you actually think about the platform that I've showed you, if it actually worked for you and or it's just a waste of time. So I would actually love to hear your opinion inside the comment section below. So I'll be waiting for it. I will definitely reply to any of your comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.